In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a variant in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to select the element. So this could be like an image, a button, text, whatever, where you actually want to create a variant. So for example, we're going to take this bit of text first over here. And what you want to do is if you have already created your, so if you right click on it, if you've already created your component, you can go ahead and just double click it like me over here. And it's going to open up the layers tab. And over here, you should be able to see whenever you select your variant up here, variant 1, you should be able to see there's going to be the plus icon to do a new variant here for hover or press. So if I click on plus, you can then select hover, for example, and this is now the variant for hover. And then over here, you can add another one for pressed. Now, if it's not showing those things for you, for example, if you have this selected, you must select any of the variants to be able to see that. So as you can see here, if I select variant 1 or variant hover, it's going to give me the plus option to actually add the third one as well. And then you can go ahead and customize these whenever you click on them over here on the right hand side, and it's going to customize different variants. Now if I go to pages over here, let's actually go to the home tab, and I'm going to show you how to do this for this button. You want to simply select it, right click, create component. You have to give it a name, so I'm just going to name it tutorial 123, for example. Create, there we go, it's going to create the variant. And then of course, if I now zoom this in, as you can see, there's nowhere where I could actually create variants, and that is because you have to go to layers tab up here, click on variant, and there we go. I can now click those plus buttons to actually create different variants over here, and I can also create the variants for hover, pressed, etc. So that's basically how you do this, how you create variants. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.